Want to know if they sat down and had an interview with the Snail. Would love to see that. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. I appreciate it so very much, and if you're new here, welcome to the family. I hope you like me enough to want to stick around. So today I thought I would start a new type of series on my channel, since I really did a lot of hauls because I love getting new products and trying them out for you guys and letting you know my thoughts on whether or not you should spend your money. But since I needed to scale back on those, I've been trying to think of some other series that I wanted to come up with. And I thought that I would become the Mask Avenger. If you've been watching me for any length of time, you know that I love masks of all kinds, sheet masks, under eye gels, which, yeah, those are the best ones, and jar masks and all of the in-between, and I wanted to share my thoughts because I've come across some good ones, some bad ones, and I thought I would come up with a weekly or bi-monthly series that I could let you know what I think is good and what I think is nah. I'm starting to decorate for Christmas, as you can see behind me. There's going to be more added to it, hopefully, but hopefully you like it. Let's get back into our coffee mugs, because it's coffee time for sure, even though it's like 8 o'clock at night. I drink coffee all day long. Time for my holiday mugs. I don't have too many. Well, I do have them, but I have to dig them out, so we'll start with this one for now. So grab yourself a beverage of your choice, and let's get into this. The first one I want to talk about is actually a set. You can buy them individually, but I happen to like the set as a whole for a couple of reasons. Now this is a whole one because I, for some reason, threw out the individual packages for it. Silly, silly me. But this is the Skyn Iceland and this is the facelift in a bag. It's a bit dramatic of title, but I can tell you that this definitely works. It is a quick 10 to 15 minute masking set. They're individual pieces. You get in here 2 sets of each. So you're getting a forehead mask, you're getting 2 sets of the under eye gels, not 2 under eye gels, but 2 actual sets of them, and then you're getting ones for your smile lines. I had tried the under eye gels before, which I really did like, but they are expensive, so I do wait till they go on sale. Ulta has these on sale quite often. But I have to tell you that the smile line ones, I use it in the morning when I have that extra 15 minutes. I have to tell you that everything looked underneath my eyes, my forehead, my smile lines, they all looked plumped up and prepared for makeup. And I looked in the mirror and I went, huh, that's pretty darn cool. So I think I'm going to put the prices on the screen of what they are. As I said, they're a little pricey, but if you have an event, or like me, you just kind of want to go from looking dead in the morning to actually looking like a human being, I highly, highly recommend trying these out. This is another set of masks that, not set, but under eye gels that I actually really was enjoying. I can't speak. Enjoying. These are from Acure, and these are, it says, Cucumber and Silk Trees for Age Performance. These are the paper gel type masks, not too liquidy. They do adhere well to the under eye. They are a 15 to 20 minute mask, which is a little bit longer. I do prefer the 10-minute ones for the morning, but at night I definitely will use these. I think they did a pretty decent job. I took them off. I didn't see like I was 20 years younger, but I do think they were cooling, and of course if you put any of these masks in the fridge, they are going to give you an even more cooling effect, because anything cold underneath the eyes, like back in the day, I used to chill spoons and I would put them underneath my eyes if my eyes were puffy. So I do think they did a decent job, and again I will have the price of these on the screen as well. This is another one that I am really impressed with. I never tried them before. Again, slightly pricey. Anything to me that you have to use on a daily basis that somebody's at my door. Luckily somebody else will get it for me. Anything that I use on a daily basis that costs $3 to $5 per single use, to me, is pricey. But this is the Burts Bees Rejuvenating Under Eye Masks. These you only really need to leave on for 5 minutes. I leave them on for 10. I was highly impressed with these. This is reinvigorating for tired skin. I was really surprised. Again, I would want to wait till they go on sale because I think they're about $3 or $3.99. I really like these. I cannot wait to go out and try some more of them. This is a Korean brand mask. I did get these in TJmaxx quite some time ago, and I think I only have one left as a matter of fact. It is the Golden Snail Hydrogel Mask, the original. Now, this is a paper type mask that is extremely slimy. If you don't like those very wet, slimy type masks, then you're probably not going to enjoy this. But there is some evidence. I want to know who sat back and thought to try on snail gel. Just curious. But it is said that snail slime, there I said it, has anti-aging properties. Again, I want to know if they sat down and had an interview with the snail. Would love to see that. But again, you have to like that super wet gel slime type feeling. You do have to wash this one off afterwards, but afterwards, yes. I do think my face felt smoother and plumped because you have to wash it off. You don't have the residue on your face. I do think that it made a slight difference. Remember, none of these masks are going to give you an actual facelift, but they are going to hydrate your skin, possibly make it look brighter for a short period of time, maybe less puffy, maybe a little brightened. And I do believe, at least with some of them, with continued use, they can have beneficial properties to them. This one I also got in one of my boxes, I believe a Target box, and it is St. Ives. St. Ives has been around for a very long time. With St. Ives, they used to have the apricot scrub, and then it became very controversial before they realized that the little apricot shell particles could cause micro damage to your skin. But overall, I think it is a reliable, inexpensive brand. This is a soothing oatmeal mask. Now, if you have any redness or irritation or breakouts, oatmeal in itself is a very, very good redness reducing, irritation reducing property. If you ever get poison ivy, they always tell you to take an actual oatmeal bath. So it has proven effects. And my skin is never really irritated, but I can say that I did like this mask. It is a sheet mask. It was comfortable. It wasn't too sloppy to use, and I did like it. What I find a lot with these sheet masks though is everyone's face size is different. So you do have to, at least for me, I find they never quite fit around my nose and eyes. So what I do is I will usually use a scissor once it's on my face very carefully so you do not stab yourself in the eyeball. I don't recommend that. I will put slits and or cut this little part around the eye completely so that it can lay completely flat on the orbital bone area and around the nose. But that's going to be with any mask. They cannot make a universal mask that's going to fit everyone's face. So that's one thing that I do find helps with sheet masks. Here's a Glam Glow mask that, again, I got in a box. It is the Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. Do I honestly think that the oxygenation in the mask is doing anything truly beneficial to your skin? Absolutely not. It is absolutely fun to use. It is a sheet mask. Once you put it on, it is automatically activated and the mask starts to bubble up and you look like the Michelin Man. Now, I thought when I rinsed it off, because you do have to take it off and rinse, that my skin felt nice. It certainly felt smooth. That I said, I think the oxygenation action that it has is purely for entertainment purposes, and I really don't think that your skin can benefit from a mask that does that. Was it fun? Absolutely. Are these expensive? Absolutely. Do I think there are other masks that work better? Absolutely. Here is another bubbling sheet mask, which is way less expensive than the Glam Glow. But this one is the Yestu Coconut Energizing Coffee Bubbling Paper Mask. This one does the same thing. It's not black, but it is a tan color and is again a sheet mask. It does have those bubbling up effects. It is a quick 10-minute mask. I do like these in the morning. Again, do I think the oxygen bubbleization is doing anything? No. But the coffee has proven anti-inflammatory properties as well, so it will soothe and calm your skin. I don't know about waking it up, but if that's what they want to associate with it, that is okay, because it does work, especially underneath my eyes. Coconut is of course extremely moisturizing for your skin. Those have very beneficial properties, so they always have these on sale, and again, I think that these I would take any day over the Glam Glow mask. They both make great Instagram pictures. This next one is the Pearl Essence Mask Vibrancy Moisturizing. It is a Korean brand mask. This one is a 20 to 30 minute. These I leave on for 30 minutes. I would say that they say that it has crushed pearls in it. Again, I don't know. It is a very wet mask, also one that I do have to cut to fit properly around my face. This is also one that you do have to wash off as well. That doesn't necessarily bother me. I prefer those at night because I will wear them, I will wash it off, and then I'll just go on with my regular skincare routine. The ones that just stay on and you just rub the rest of the essence into your skin, I like those in the morning before I do my makeup. I think it was fairly moisturizing. I wouldn't say run out and buy them, but they're not expensive. I think you get 6 for $4, and I think it left my skin feeling nice. Certainly doesn't do any harm, and if you just need an inexpensive mask for some extra softening, I would say these are good. This one I absolutely have to talk about because this is the Kocostar Rose Mask. We recently got the Allure box, which was all about masking. I've tried a lot of lip masks. This one, none of them are that fantastic, but this one is the best. Do you want to know the main reason? Because it doesn't have a slit in the middle. All the other ones I have the slit for the opening of your mouth. The problem is they never fit properly. They fit around my mouth, which might be softening to some of the lines and wrinkles around my mouth, but they never actually fit on my lips. This one does not have a hole in the center, so you kind of, as somebody suggested in my comments when I opened the Allure box, you kind of just suck it in a little bit and it adheres to your lips and doesn't go anywhere. I think this was maybe just 10 minutes that you have to keep it on. My lips felt okay afterwards. I still had to put on my lip balms and etc. But honestly, if they're going to make lip masks, I highly suggest that they don't cut the little mouth holes, because those that I have, they're just useless to me. If they're not covering my lips, what good are they doing? So that concept I like very much. And the last one that I want to talk about is the FlashPatch by PATCHOLOGY, the Rejuvenating Eye Gels. These are the wet kind of slimy ones that they have the 2 paper backings, and they are the jelly type. Now I do like them, but I do find that they worked very well, by the way. I will give them that. But they don't fit all the way underneath my eye. Do you know where there are some, these are actually look like apostrophes. And this part that goes under here, the problem is you're missing when you do it this whole part over here. It covers the crow's feet area, but it doesn't cover the full part the way some of the paper ones do that look more like almond crescents instead of apostrophes. I think the properties in them did a good job. I just wish the shape was different. These are expensive. I may buy them again, but I have to see that. I just wish it was shaped. I mean, I'm sure for some people's eyes these work perfectly shaped underneath their eyes. For me, they just don't fit quite properly enough. So that is it, my 10 masks for this episode 1 of the Mask Avenger. I feel so silly saying that. I need a little cape. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did enjoy this series, I would so appreciate a thumbs up. That would let me know. Well, I mean, of course it helps out my video, and then I guess it also helps me know that you like this type of video? I don't know. But I would love to hear your thoughts and comments if you would so desire. And I hope you guys are having an amazing week. I hope this weekend was wonderful for you, the Thanksgiving weekend. So thank you so much again, everybody. Much, much love to you. I love you guys tremendously. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.